Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing, not me wanting to cut my hair. Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Dior lip swatch with these amazing Dior lipsticks. It's a little and I'm excited. Comes with a lip pencil, a lip brush. And what I'm going to be trying out is the Dior Addict Stellar Shine Vibrant Color Hydrating Lip Shine. And they're actually in the shade, this one is in the shade Lucky. So I'm going to be going with that one first. I'm so glad that Dior literally gifted me these wonderful lip shine. I enjoy shopping at the beauty department. That's my favorite department. Testing out samples like these really does make my shopping experience so much easier because I'm able to just go in and know what I want. So I'm excited. Alright, so I'm starting off with Lucky, and this is in the color 536. It's called Daring Dior. I'm excited. It comes in like this. Now I'm going to be trying Ooh, I love this shade. Ooh, I love this color. Oh, it's so vibrant. These products are so creamy. I feel like my favorite one definitely has to be Dior in 976. It's so amazing. Dior charm, I feel like I can pair it with the Dior, and it's still a staple. Lucky as well. I do love Dior Celestial, and I literally can see myself putting it as a top coat with like nude mauve-y color. I feel like that'll be so hot and so sexy, especially with it giving it the ombre effect. So yeah, tops it off with my favorite one. It matches my nails very well. Love that. I had a really fun time trying these all and testing these out to showcase to you all. So nonetheless, if you like this video, please definitely give me a like, comment, and tell me which one's your favorite, and subscribe if you'd like. Yeah, look forward to showcasing more lipsticks and more products to you all. Have a great one, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.